aka Paleobarbie. Welcome back to my channel. So, for those of you that are new, and those of you who have been here, thank you for watching. I am on my way to work. This is my last week in North Texas, and then I'll be home to my hubby on Sunday. So that's great. I slept really well. Still went to bed at midnight, but slept really well. I stayed up a little till at least midnight because the space station was passing over, and I wanted to try to get a look at it. I didn't get it. Look at it. It was only visible for 6 minutes, but there were so many trees in the way of the angle of where it was coming up that we missed it. But we did see some awesome stars and a beautiful full moon, and I will insert pictures from last night because it was a gorgeous night. It was gorgeous. It was great sitting out on that deck and watching all the stars. Wonderful. I could get used to that. It was really great. My house has so many big tall trees, it's sometimes hard to see anything but the moon, so it's nice to be able to see something there in the sky. So yeah, as I said in yesterday's video, I had a really great workout yesterday. I didn't even show all of it, but I did the bike and did weights and stuff, so starting to feel more and more comfortable at Planet Fitness, just doing my thing. There's still some machines that I have not tried that I still don't feel super comfortable doing them. Coffee this morning. I don't have to stop at Starbucks because he made us pour overs. Made me want to go, so that's great. With heavy cream in mine. So I'm drinking that instead. Saving however many bucks I spend every morning, $3.50, $3 something. Yeah, so last Tuesday of camp until next year, it always goes by so fast, and then we're like, oh, it's a whole year before we get to do this again, and then it's here before we know it. So it'll be a nice break after this week, and then I have another camp at home, and of course my other job and other responsibilities. So, and I get to see the grandkids, so that'll be fun. But anyways, I will talk to you guys when I have some food, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and go do something for yourself today. Go do something that is special for you. Do some self-care, whether it be one of those dollar masks or you just take a nap. Do something for you today. That's my last thoughts with you before you see my breakfast. All right. Hey guys, just checking in. I just got done with camp. I ate my lunch. Before I left, I am headed to the a couple towns over, which in the DFW area there's like a gazillion little towns, right? All stuck next to each other. So I'm headed over to go to my bank because there's not one right here in North Tech or in Denton. And deposit some money so I can pay on my Disney trip. And then I am either going to go to Planet Fitness or go walking later for my workout. And that's about all that's going on. So for lunch I had a taco salad just like I had last night. I don't know what I'm having for dinner yet. Possibly either hot dogs or I'll pick up something. I still have 2 gift cards I need to use for fast food, Chipotle and Wendy's, so it might be one of those too. I don't know. It depends on what I end up doing for my workout and if I feel like going back out or not. So we'll see what happens. Not a whole lot of exciting stuff happening today, guys, so I will show you if something does for sure. But I hope everybody's having a great day. I will check back in with you guys in a little while after I get some food later on, or if I work out, or when I work out, and what it is. All right, bye. This used to be our house, guys, when we lived here. That little tree on the left used to be like about a foot when we put it in. And this other tree is a different tree. There was another tree there. Hey guys, I just want to close out yesterday's video and say thanks for watching. It was a pretty good day. I got my workout in. I ate well. I went over a little bit on my fat, but that's okay. I was still hungry when I was not able to sleep last night, which I'll talk about in today's video, but I don't understand why I'm so hungry all the time now. If it's just the calorie thing or what. But anyways, it was a good day, and I will see you today or tomorrow, whatever this day is, in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.